In this video, I am going to be showing you how to run YouTube ads for free, or how to run ads on YouTube for free using the official Google Ads website. Then stay tuned on this video and I'm going to show you right now. And also, if you watch this video to the end, I am going to leave a link to the video on the screen right now, showing you a video that will teach you how to promote your YouTube channel or YouTube video for free with a secret website. Okay, so let's get into it without further ado. The first thing you want to do right now is go to ads.google.com. When you get to ads.google.com, you are actually going to be seeing a particular offer that is presented to you in any country you find yourself. If you have any offer on Google Ads, then you can be able to follow every instructions they give to you, qualify for this offer, and you can be able to use this to create your YouTube ads. Now, click this video you see on the screen right now and it will take you to the next video on how to promote your YouTube channel for free with a secret website, with me showing a proof.